Welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to change the default font or text size in Windows 10. You might want to increase the size of the font on screen to make it easier to read. Thankfully, the method is straightforward. The first thing you need to do is go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose ease of access, and now you should be in the display settings by default. If you aren't, then choose display from the options on the left of the page. In the display settings, you should be able to see the text size slider towards the top of the page. Move this slider to the right to increase the size of the text. You can use the sample text for guidance, and once you are happy, click on apply and then wait for the change to take effect. You can always change the size again if you aren't happy with the new setting. Below the text size option, there is a drop-down box that will change the size of everything in Windows 10. You could maybe try increasing the percentage in that box to see if that helps too. There are also a few other options relating to size on this page, so feel free to check those out. And so that is how to change the size of the text within Windows 10. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.